Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have a ThredUp rescue box. I've seen a couple of these. Sometimes these are very hit and miss. So I got the cheaper box. It was only $100, so I'm not expecting a lot. A lot of times you get people who restore purses that buy these, because a lot of times these be in pretty bad shape. A lot of times you don't get, you get very obscure names, but I wanted to try one. So I picked one up. This was $100 plus the shipping. So I think it came out to like 110. So let's see if I got anything worthwhile. Or am I buying something that is just going to go to Goodwill? We'll see. All right. So the one that I bought is you get 4 purses and 1 accessory. Just can't. I was trying to let you see what it looks like. I don't have a lot of space. So it's gonna look upside down, but that's what it looks like. And let's see. Let's open it together. All right. Oh, look, we got a case Spade. That looks like a Dooney. Maybe another Kate Spade. Oh, is that a Coach peeking out down there? Okay, so let's see. Take a look at this Kate Spade. It is a backpack. I don't really do backpacks myself, but my niece's birthday is coming up. If I can clean this up, because that looks like mold or something. But if I can clean that up and send it to her, she loves backpacks. I have a Juicy Couture backpack that I was going to send her anyway with all the accessories to go with it, billfold and all that. I think it's got like 3 different accessories that I bought. I bought it for myself, but I was like, I just don't do backpacks. So I was like, her birthday is coming up. I'll just send it to her. All right. It was a really cute color, which is why I couldn't leave it. But I'm going to send it to her. And so that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to try to clean this up. If not, I'll probably put it in Goodwill. But I think it's cute. All right. So that's number 1. And it is a little Dooney. It's a nylon one. Somebody really used this. We got a ring of, almost look like a watermark. Did this get water damaged? I don't know. But the leather looks perfect. So I'll see. Yeah, the leather strap looks perfect. Oh, look. I don't think I've ever seen this tag. 1975. Is that a tribute to it? I don't know. I wonder, was this in somebody's attic or basement? Interesting. This little purse may have a story to tell. So we got 2, well, really 3 slip pockets. You got the one that's made for a pen, and then the other 2. This is really tight in here, so it's hard to maneuver. This looks like an older purse because the cell phones were smaller back then. Really cute. And let's see, let's pull this out. Yeah. I like it. We got the key keeper. Really nice. So, oh wait, is this reversible? Let's looks like this might be reversible. No, maybe not. Because then the pockets would be on the outside. That would look weird. I was just wondering. Anyway. Yeah, that would look weird with the pockets on the outside. But it's cute. Alright. So that's a good one. I like it. Just need to be cleaned up. None of this has a smell so far, so that's great. Alright. I mean, look at the leather on that. It's so pretty. Alright. So that's a good one. Purse number 2. And then I thought I recognized Kate Spade. Now this one looks like, I don't know, that maybe look like some mold there too. I'm gonna have to really wash my hands. Just charge it. I wonder how, oh, is this a laptop bag? Maybe for a mini? Interesting. Oh, I like it. I like that. Okay. And then there feels like there's something in it. Oh, what is this? Is this for like your, not sure. I'm gonna have to look this up to see. That's interesting though. What is that? I like it. Alright. Some kind of older technology. But look how it's really cute. I'm trying to think of what that could be. So let's see. Does it? I think that comes. Does that come out? Because I mean, I could put hard drives in there. Wait a minute. I feel like I hear Velcro. There is a zipper under here. This is interesting. But this feels like leather, by the way. And there's a zipper under here. Huh. Interesting. There's wiring. I don't know what this is, guys. Somebody knows. That would be interesting if you could tell me what that is. Okay. Interesting. I'm gonna have to look that up. But it'll probably be something I keep. Yeah. That's interesting. So now, is this count as a purse or is this an accessory? We'll see. Oh, so I thought this might be a another coach, but this, I think that's Tory Burch, right? Oh, nice. It's a big one. Huge, actually, with feet. Oh, and that's an old Michael Kors with the lock, which I was trying to sell one of mine. I had the red one with the padded, the quilted, but that's a white one. I might wear that for a while. All right, so this one does need to be cleaned, but it's nice. All right, very nice, huge. Don't have one of these, so I don't know. It feels pretty heavy. Look how big that, you can put a ton of stuff in here. Okay, nice, all big. Perfect, really. Excuse me. All right, now the last one. So Michael Kors with the pattern. Out of all the Michael Kors, I think this was the best style. I really like it. Now there are some Michael Kors that look exactly like Dooney, Louis Vuittons, but I liked this. It was, like, in my opinion, uniquely Michael Kors. And we got the key. Did he get away from this style? Does he still do these with the lock? Not sure. I haven't, I did buy Michael Kors recently, but when I go to the outlet, a lot of times I go straight to Coach and Kate Spade. Like, I haven't even been in Vera Bradley in a minute. And I used to love Vera Bradley. All right, so it's relatively clean. Okay, still got a tag here. So it looked like they got this from the outlet. It was on clearance for them, $198. What year this was? All right, so that's the name of that. Kind of neat. I always take the tags off my things, but I might leave it. I might wear it for a little bit and then try to resell it. Oh, it's got tags all back here. Care instructions, yeah. So, neat. So, the interior is pretty clean. I do need to wash the outside. I mean, it's white, so you got some dirtiness, but all the little hardware has its name on it. This is a very substantial purse. I remember that these can get quite heavy. Yeah, I was in a Michael Kors stage one time, and like right now, with all this on it, it feels a little heavy. But I'm definitely going to use this one a little bit, and then I'll probably eBay it. Very cute. All right, so let's recap. Okay, so the Kate Spade backpack, the Michael Kors, we got a Kate Spade accessory. That's very interesting. And then we have this Dooney and Burke. It's cute, and I love the leather on it. And then, if I read my logos right, I think that's a Tory Burch. I'm not 100%. Let's see. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So I didn't see that before. I'm not well versed in Tory Burch, but I thought that was what that emblem was. Okay. And so, did I get $100 worth? I think so, because once I clean this up, this will be cute. And this, I really like this. I'm gonna have to do a Google search to see how old this one is. I think with the watermark here, I think this was in somebody's basement or something. That's just my guess. And I'm thinking this might be vintage. But anyway, I like it. I don't care when it was made. I like it. It's cute. And then this is very interesting. This, once I clean it up, this would be cute. And this, I really like this. So, yeah, I didn't get any misses in this box, in my opinion. So, tell me, guys, what y'all think. All right, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.